Alright, put the egg down. Let's burn it.
Hold on, I gotta get my sunglasses.
You ready? You ready to video?
The egg? What the heck?
You ready? No. Tell me when to go.
Alright.
Whoa, out of my eyes!
I can't see it from that angle.
I can't either.
Right. I thought you were gonna like crack it open.
Whoa!
What's it doing?
It's turning yellow.
Oh wow, that's like the sun.
It's cooking.
Okay, I think I'm getting bored.
So it's gonna be like hard boiled?
Yeah, oh, put an hole in it.
I don't eat it, Jonathan.
I will eat it if it's cooked good.
Oh my gosh!
What's it doing?
Burning a hole in it.
Oh my gosh! That's like awesome! Things we find to do at CS.
Be sure you don't burn the sidewalk.
Too late.
What?
It's too late.
Is it burning the sidewalk?
No, it's burning the egg. Okay, it's gonna be like an egg firecracker or something.
Alright, crack it open and see what it says. What it is. You ready?
It didn't get done cooking.
Here, just crack it and then cook it on the sidewalk.
Move your hand.
Just a minute. I think that'll cook. I think the concrete exploded.
Who's that? We're not doing anything.
Who is it?
I have no idea. I think it's a lady shirt.
Is it cooking?
Mm-hmm.
Is it really?
I can't even see it.
Yeah.
I know, I can't either.
It's way too bright.
It's like staring.
So when I'm looking through a camera, it filters out the UV.
My eyes. I'm seriously using your body now.
But it's for good cause.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you're so smart.
Oh, I hear it boiling.
I'm cooking the whole thing.
Did you burn it? What kind of cook are you?
Never cooked in the magnifying glass before.
You know what? If a Mexican was doing this, it'd be perfect over easy.
Hey, go get some enchiladas.
Is it almost done?
No.
I'm hungry.
I didn't have breakfast.
Is it being cooked inside of rubbing alcohol?
Yes, it is.
Oh, so we can't eat it?
Why not?
Because we'll die.
All the rubbing alcohol get cooked off.
Jeff
that's
eats
not
rubbing
true.
alcohol all the time.
That doesn't really help much.
Hey, it's halfway cooked.
I know.
You need the other side.
No, I got tired of holding my arm.
Oh. That's awesome.
Why didn't we discover this before, Jonathan?
I don't know. I would have broken the TV just to get this out.
I'm so disappointed in myself.
And nobody will know about our fantastic thing.
Yeah, right. Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
I'm putting this video on there.
Breaking their TVs with this. They'll be like, oh,
This is the coolest thing ever.
Everybody break their TV. Where do you guys sell your guys' old TVs at?
Huh?
Jonathan, where did you guys sell your old TVs at?
I sold those TVs on Craigslist. Oh.
My neighbor has a TV that he's throwing away.
Really? What's wrong with it?
I don't know. That is insane.
I think
now
it's
that
cooked,
I actually
dog.
step back and realize what you're doing.
Alright, move it over
like,
for a minute.
More so, like, that is insane.
Oh, that's awesome. That's like fully cooked.
Eat it, John. Don't eat it. I was just kidding. Do not eat
I
it.
will.
Eat it.
No, you're
Go get a
not.
fork.
Then I will step on
No, don't step on it. He has to eat it for the movie.
No. What?
How much cooler would that be? The
No.
movie I'm making.
Ben! Ben, no.
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. An egg cooked by nothing but the light. And the sidewalk, that will probably never be the same.
Like, looks nasty. You should have.
It does not, it looks great.
It does look good.
It does.
How does that look good?
It was cooked by a TV screen. It just looks good. Just because that's so awesome.
I think the yellow's still liquid.
Hey, you're gonna get like salmonella or something.
No, you can get salmonella.
You already cooked it.
You got salt?
I don't think it's cooked all the way.
People eat raw eggs all the time. Salt and pepper, give it some flavor.
Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh my gosh, this is disgusting.
Ew, I told you
I'm gonna
so.
tell Ariel Ariel's never gonna kiss you again. Ariel will never kiss you again. Oh!
Eat it.
Ariel, when you watch this,
Don't
later.
watch it!
Sure.
Oh.
Tastes like an egg. Want some, Jonathan?
I don't know.
Oh, Jonathan.
Get yourself some. Not that side, you have to get the yolk.
Scrambled egg right there.
Hmm.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe I'm witnessing
What
this.
men will eat.
See?
It does taste good.
No. It's awesome.
Kind of got a weird.
Stella, see? Yeah, go.
I was joking.
Eat it.
I was joking. I'm not gonna eat
Lupe.
it. That's disgusting.
What kind of salt
I hate
did you
eggs
put on
anyway,
it?
besides overeating.
That tastes
them.
really good with that salt on it.
I know.
I haven't
Probably
put that
would've
on my normal eggs.
Probably would have tasted nasty and bland if it wasn't.
That's awesome. We gotta eat the rest of it. We can't let it
No!
go
Oh
to waste.
my gosh!
Eat you some. Don't step on
I
it.
did. Oh, your baby.
You did not.
Yes, I
I
did.
want some white part, so I'm gonna cook it for a little bit.
Benjamin. Oh,
Jonathan.
yeah, look, you're standing in front.
Then you got me that. Bryce, you gotta eat some.
Yeah,
Cook it.
everybody
Wait, how are
cool
you
ate some.
cooking it? I'm standing in front of it.
You realize
The
how big
sun,
this thing
man,
is?
it's everywhere.
You're not that fat.
Move. You're ruining our cooking.
I don't want you to eat
You're
it.
gonna burn
You
your
eat
hand.
it.
No, not my hair. Not the hair.
Then move out of the way.
Ben, this is not safe.
It is perfectly
You're
safe.
gonna die. Do you want to die? I don't know what.
Kids, don't try this at home. At least that's our disclaimer. Please try it at home. It's really awesome.
You're burning it.
It looks like you're welding it.
It does.
Oh, but you. Oh, it's all burnt now.
Yeah, see?
No, it's not.
I bet you we can weld something with this thing.
No, you
Think we
couldn't.
can get solder? Think it'd get hot enough to like get
Yeah,
solder?
I'm sure it would.
You're like, why don't have my soldering
Alright,
iron?
stop
Oh,
it
good thing I have my
then.
magnifying glass.
Hey,
It's awesome.
I'm burning this.
Wait, are you done cooking it?
Yeah.
Aw.
You should try burning this.
Lupe, get over here.
Alright, I think the movie's over now.
What?
There's our next victim.
Look at that. It's burning a hole right through it.
Cool. What's inside of it?
Oh,
think
it's
rubber.
Hey, we could do a show like that show Sliced, only it'll be burnt. Oh, that's awesome.
That's awesome. It's
So
caught on
cool.
fire. Need to focus right. There we go.
Keep it burning.
Sweet. Oh. Oh, whoa, look at all that stuff coming up.
Sounds like breathe. so awesome.
That is magnifying glass can be like, dangerous.
Where'd it go? Oh, I'm in its shadow.
Oh,
Dude,
dude.
your leg gonna catch on fire.
It's not angled. When you go around to the smoker hut over there and be like, hey, I'll light your cigarette. Seriously, we gotta get video of lighting somebody's cigarette.
That would be awesome. David's not here, is he?
You still recording?
Yeah.
Cool.
I guess I'll stop.